Hey, how's it going? Jonathan Glazer here, coming at you with another video. This one, we're going to go through a really simple method to promote survey CPA offers on Instagram. So, as you can see, I am in my Instagram account, the one I created for Opinion Shark. So this is where I post all my IG posts for survey offers. And this is where we'll start. So if you need to sign up for an account, you'll go to instagram.com and go through, click up here, and you'll just set up your profile. Just something simple like this. Just make sure that you have a landing page similar to what I have here. And if you need that, you can check out some similar videos, or you can contact me and I will make one for you. Give you the details on that, but this is something similar like this. That they'll enter the email here, and then it'll redirect them to the survey CPA offer. So once all that's set up, you're going to do is find hashtags and then images, and you can do that with the simple Google search for survey images, or any kind of make money at home images, and then you can use any kind of editor, pixel editor, photo monkey, and give it your little personal touch. So one thing to note is this will all be done on my desktop. I'm not going to do anything with the phone. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. So first, to find the image, you can go to Google, you can go to Pixelbay, but we'll just go to Google and go survey, get paid with surveys. And then you can kind of get an idea of what those offers look like. There we go. Just click on images. So then you can just kind of go through here and find anyone that you like. These work well, and then like I said, you can add your own personal touch to them. You can add a border or anything like that on Pixel Editor and Photo Monkey. That's my favorite one. But to keep this short, I'm just going to show you how I research my hashtags and then post to there. So what we'll do is I'm on Instamate, and that's what I use to post. So we can go there, and we'll just click in. And I'm actually using version 1. They have another version of Instamate, and you can click the link in the description to check that out. It's got more additions, but this works just fine for me. So you can type in like I need money. Just think about people that would be more inclined to take surveys. So what would they be? What hashtags would they be hanging out with? So I need money now are two good ones. So what I did was I created a little text file of that to put my hashtags in. I'm going to do about 11 or so hashtags. And you want to make sure that they're above at least 5,000. It's not worth it if it's not. So we'll do I need money now. Those are people that are more inclined to getting surveys. So there's one search, and then we're going to go to, we'll just say paid surveys online, and see where that takes us. Nope, so that's not good. And we'll type in money, see how that works. There we go, got a good one there. People are going to be liking that. We can even do like money flip, all these right here. So we'll enter, let's see, I put money. And keep a text file of all that so you can test out the ones that work and all that. So we'll do one more search, and we'll just type in cash. And that one, I don't really like that one. That is actually pretty good, so I already put that in there. This is kind of lame, but it might work. You can use that if you want. It's very popular. And then stay at home mom is another good one. Lots of moms looking for ways to make some money at home. Lots of them like the survey offers, so you can do it that way. So we'll use that, and then we'll just kind of you can do that forever. You can go through that and do as many as you want. I'm just going to stick with that and use what I have here. And next, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're just going to post to Instagram. So first I have to go make sure my account is set up, which will be down here. You can hook it up to any account you want. So there it is. There's my Opinion Shark account. I'm going to activate it. And next we're going to go up to post on Instagram. We'll go find my post that I created, which will be right here. So we'll just put that there. And what we'll do is we'll type something very, very simple. Make super easy way to make hashtag that money daily up to 75 per complete per survey, and then we'll hashtag free. And then here's what I do to make sure that people get to my bio. So I'll click the link in my bio, and I'll do @opinion or whatever your IG username is, and that will be a clickable link, and I'll just click that and it'll take them to your profile, and then they'll make it a lot easier for the user, for your viewers, to get to where you want them to go, which is to your hyperlink. So next we're just going to highlight our hashtags. We'll move that one, and there we go. Next thing we're going to do is we're just going to post that. Make sure that it's going to the account we want it to go to, and post. Okay, so normally it will go. I actually have to fix my account here, so I'm going to go ahead and pause this. Okay, so I fixed all that. I got that all set up. So next, this should go through now, and you'll see how easy it is to post. So we'll just click post, and again, make sure it's set, and we'll go post now, and just wait for it to go. There we go. It's all set, ready to roll. We'll go back to the Instagram account, go into the account, and we'll just click on, and there you go. As you can see, it posted directly to the Instagram account, and it's going to all these hashtags right here, and it'll lead right back to that, which will lead people to that, and that's where you want them to go. So I hope you got value from that. If you're not using instamate. I highly recommend you use it. It's the best software out there to post to Instagram from your computer. So yeah, you can click the link to grab that. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do that. I will have more videos for you on CPA and affiliate marketing. So I will talk to you real soon. Have an awesome day.